How you can make money with every barrel change? Well, the answer is simple as it is easy, by reducing the amount of material that has to be wasted when changing the barrels. The purpose of this little video is to show you how to reduce or eliminate the need of waste expensive silicone material every time you change a drum. So, how to make money with each barrel change. Hello everybody, my name is Uwe Röger, I'm the host of this technical presentation. Since the beginning of the use of liquid silicone rubber, the LSR material is delivered in buckets or drums. These barrels have to be vented every change to get a good product. If this process is not carried out correctly or the technical conditions are not ideal, a significant amount of material can be wasted. We know from some users that they waste up to 2 kilograms or 4.4 pounds per barrel and change. And that's for each component. That is a total of 4 kilograms or 9 pounds of material that's lost in the production process. True, this is certainly a very large amount and is related to the special properties of the various silicone types, but it happens in reality. Even with careful deaeration, these quantities can be reduced by 50% if the technical conditions are not ideal. In order to make it even better, we have prepared a demonstration together with our customer Juha. For this purpose, we have equipped a machine with a transparent follower plate. This special follower plate is identical with our material-saving flat aluminum follower plate, which has been used for years and which empties out the drums very well. Due to the polycarbonate material of the plate, it's now possible for the first time to have a direct look through the plate in order to get a view of the material behavior underneath the plate. With our follower plates, we have paid special attention to an optimized suction area in which relatively little silicone material has to be held. As you can clearly see in this example, the material comes with rather wavy surface from the manufacturer. This can vary from one type of material to the other. These uneven surfaces always causes a special challenge when venting. In case of large material displacements or waves, air can be trapped, which becomes visible later in the production process and leads to problems. The rule of thumb is, as smoother the surface, the easier the ventilation. In our example, the material topography is acceptable and can be vented without any problems. One lesson from this setup is small air pockets under the follower plate remain stationary and do not move even after multiple barrel changes. A fact that may have suspected, which has now been proven by the transparent follower plate. From experience, however, it can be said that this behavior applies to the majority of the industrial material grades. The actual barrel venting process is extremely economical, which means material saving, due to the automatic valves and the follower plate venting arranged separately from the suction area. It can be observed that no air escapes from the pump vent, which means that the amount of material that has to be transported through the pump can be reduced to a minimum. Some users even completely avoid the pump venting. This is especially due to the fact that the air in the drum is only escaping through the follower plate vent and does not have to go through the metering pump. This reduces the amount of material has to be thrown away by at least 90%, if not more. If we now recalculate the amount of material to be dumped to the above mentioned venting quantity, we can achieve an annual saving of up to €5,500 per year or €36 per barrel change. These figures, of course, are no absolute numbers, but they show that it can be achieved a lot by making small changes. So there you have it. It is explained how you can earn more money with each barrel change. Thank you.